Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice protein powder at home. First, select high-quality brown rice, as it contains more nutrients than white rice. Begin by soaking your brown rice in water for a full 24 hours. This crucial step helps to activate beneficial enzymes and begins the breakdown of complex carbohydrates. After soaking, drain and rinse the rice thoroughly. This prepares it for the next important stage in the process. Once your rice is sprouted, it's time to dry it completely. You can use a food dehydrator set to a low temperature, around 115 degrees Fahrenheit, or a conventional oven on its lowest setting with the door slightly ajar. Ensure the rice is bone dry, which might take several hours. Any remaining moisture will prevent proper grinding and could lead to spoilage. After drying, let the rice cool completely before moving on. Now that your rice is thoroughly dried and cooled, it's time to grind it into a fine powder. Use a high-speed blender or a coffee grinder for the best results. Process the rice in small batches to avoid overheating the machine and to achieve a consistent texture. After grinding, sift the powder through a fine mesh sieve. This step ensures a smooth, clump-free protein powder, perfect for mixing into your favorite shakes and recipes. Homemade rice protein powder offers numerous benefits. It's a fantastic plant-based protein source, providing all essential amino acids. Plus, it's generally easy to digest and hypoallergenic, making it suitable for many dietary needs. You can add it to smoothies, baked goods, or even savory dishes for an extra protein boost. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed and energized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.